everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I pretty much went to pick up some staple things, but because I ended up seeing two items that I was super excited about, I decided to do a haul and share it with you guys as well. So as usual, here's an overview of the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the reason I had gone to Dollar Tree was I needed some more of these storage bags. They are the 2.5 gallon from SureFresh. I like to use them for my reborn doll kits. Once I wash them, I store them in there until I'm ready to paint them. And you get 6 in a package for $1.50, so I needed a few more. I picked up 3. And then I saw that they had these bear paws. They are the double chocolate and caramel crunch. So they are new. I haven't tried these before. They look more like a cookie. So I saw them and probably I was hungry at the moment and I thought, why not give them a try? And you get 20 crunchy cookies per tray, and they have the open and share tab to keep them fresher. So that was a nice find, but as you can see, this was a $2 item. I picked up only one beauty item. They are the contour sticks by LA Colors, and these are new and improved contour stick, cruelty-free, blendable shimmer formula. I thought it would be really nice for the summertime, and I picked it up in medium, so you can see the code here is C68639. So I picked up a couple of those to give it a try. Then for my daughter, I always like to check what type of books they have. I don't always find a ton of books at Dollar Tree, but from time to time they'll have a few cute ones. So I saw this one, and it is a hardcover book, and I thought it looked really sweet. It's called Santa's Puppy, written by Catherine Hapka. So on the back, I always like to look to see what these retail. So it says $14.99 higher in Canada. So to pick it up for $1.50 is a good deal. And usually once she's done reading it, unless it's a book that she really loves, we end up donating it to the sharing cupboard. There's one in a town close to us where they have a little cabinet out front on a lawn, and it's really cute, and it has a glass door, and then you can go and place books in there that you no longer want, and you can take a book if you want as well, but we like to do that. So this one looked really cute, and I hope she enjoys it. It's a good size. It's got 233 pages, 34 pages. So yeah, it looks like a really cute book, and I hope she enjoys it. And then I picked up a couple of the diamond art for her. She really likes it, but I like getting these because they're not a huge size. It's just enough for her to help her with her eye-hand coordination. And they're really sweet if she wants to put them in a little frame and put them in her room. So I did get the pelican this time around and the tiger. There really wasn't much of a selection, only these two, as well as the flower in the vase that I did myself, and I really liked that one. It was a fun little project to do, so I think she will enjoy these as well. Okay guys, and the last items I'm going to show you again was another surprising find at Dollar Tree. First, I just came across these ice cube trays with the lid, and I picked up a couple of those. I like when they have the lid. We do have our ice machine, but we've yet to hook it up. So in the meantime, I thought these are great, and I just like having the cover just in case to protect the ice. However, I didn't notice that it says BPA free, which I was a little disappointed with after, but so I don't know if I will use them. I like to see BPA free on things, but I thought to share them with all of you in case you guys were looking for something like this. They are the larger size cube, so they have these at Dollar Tree. Then I picked up by Pillsbury this mini spatula, which I thought was great. Just looked really nice, and to see a Pillsbury brand item, I thought I will use it for when I'm making cookies or pancakes. When I make pancakes, I make them like a cookie size, so this will work out great. And then I saw the Pioneer Woman, and wow, I was really excited. I really haven't bought anything from the Pioneer Woman, but I do like their things. It's just not so much my style that I'm using right now, but I do like them. I think they're really pretty, and for people who have the shabby chic decor, I think this goes really nice. But I do like these items, and so I decided to get them because, you know, if you can get them for a good deal, why not? And they are things that I definitely will use, and I did need some magnetic bag clips anyway, so why not have the Pioneer Woman? So I picked up 3 of these, and super cute with the little dog here, and I love his bandana with the roses. And then that's the second clip and the third clip. So I was really excited to pick those up. And then another item that I use all the time and I thought was so pretty is the Sweet Rose Pie Server. So I picked up a couple of these. I wish I picked up a couple more because these would make really nice gifts as well. So I don't know if they'll be there when I go back again, but if they are, I definitely will pick up a couple more. Really nice. And that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.